I had to retreat to my car. I can't lose my phone. If it gets too wet, I'll lose it. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Holy Mother of God. Look at this. Look at this. It's a blinding rain. Wind gusts probably between 70 and 80 miles per hour. Wow, just intense. Incredible storm. Oh, hopefully my phone doesn't get ruined because it's wet. Wow, people. Just wow. Incredible storm here. I'm in near Reston, Virginia on Greeley Avenue, just off Fairbanks County Parkway. Fred Morin Drive. I don't know if you can read that because of the rain and the wind. But I'm recording this right now, September 8th, 2012. Incredible storm. It's calming down a little bit right now, but we got a trash can lid in the road. Oh, here comes another gust. Oh, let's see what. There it goes. Wow. Whoa! My whole car just shook with that one. Wow. Incredible. Just the power of Mother Nature. I'm getting so, yeah, I gotta close the window again. Holy moly donut shop. Wow, this is what I live for. Storms like this.